we don't have it on there already? Under one. So we couldn't. Run that up.
Just put it on the top too. On the bottom of the top.
Put it on top though, you can't slide it in. Or you can't slide it in as easy. Yeah, I'm good.
Bro, did I really put it on the top so down?
No, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine. Let's go. Yeah. Just got it on the
It's
side.
about to take a quick minute there.
Hey. Wow, that sticks a lot better.
Oh, bro, mine's already drying.
That's good.
I just drip glue on your shirt.
Thank you. Push it.
Alright.
Push your side.
Hold it on the inside. Yeah,
On the inside?
Just like push it. Like, why you
Yeah,
push
make
it?
sure
Your
you
hand a
push
little
it
lower.
back.
Sam, move your hand so you guys can get his hand lower. So I'm about to place.
I'm good here.
I just gotta hold for a little bit. Dylan, can you
Yeah.
like get our pieces?
Can you get stickers? Oh, you got them already.
He's already got the stickers. You guys think it's holding yet?
Just make sure nothing falls apart.
Think it's good?
Here, Dylan, be gentle, but go take it over to the quality control station.
This one?
Your Sam gets started. Dylan, you can do all the measuring stuffy.
One.
As you start going around.
Alright.
Just over here so I don't trip on you.
Doesn't matter if he drips. Right, Daniel?
Hey Dylan, when you're done measuring that, you should put more glue on that.
Semi-dry. Nice. I think we're kind of spreading out a little.
Do you remember how to do this stuff? Okay.
I was gone.
Oh, okay. Do you have your phone to record stuff too? Like write stuff down? Like
Yeah.
type things in.
There you go. Push it in. You gotta push your side in.
So I type 25, so you know that it's for box 25. And then put it on the scale.
Just try and get your hand down.
And then just record the mass. Okay. And then take it and put it on its side. So just like tilt it. And then take the caliper and stick it through this top hole here. Like open it up and you see this thing on the bottom? It goes through the hole. Keep opening it up to the bottom. And it needs to go through the second hole. And then record that.
Here's the next one.
And then just keep doing that for all the boxes. And make sure, like I said, you keep track of the number that you put.
It's weird, doesn't it? Let's do this.
Check West and I'm rich. Bruh. You did that to yourself.
Yes, I did.
You can't even tell me. Earlier. I guarantee Grant is playing Shell Shock right now.
Really?
Yeah.
You saw what he was saying.
Ellie Mila's dad.
There you go.
Sam, you guys hold it on the inside so I can get it down.
Okay.
Hold it on the inside too.
Push your side a little bit over, Daniel. Push that good.
Yeah, it's like not.
There.
Couldn't see over there.
Right, we got that hole down.
say.
Not sure it's better to have too much or too little glue.
I see 10.
Right?
Alright, yeah, that's the best glue.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it was the other stuff then that wasn't working very well.
You tried?
Wait for a little longer. You good?
Just grab it from the bottom. It doesn't support anything.
This is by far the best glue.
Yeah. Pretty sure it dries a bit faster too. It's a little sticky. They're nice.
Dude, that's so much glue.
It's like right there on my fingers, but
I'm ready.
first things.
The roll.
First things.
And you put a little bit of glue on the sides too, especially like right towards the where you put the top.
That's what we're gonna do on the side.
Yeah, a little bit on the top because like seems like it's gonna stick a lot better. Yours is good. Yeah, because like there's no like nothing to like support it. Sticking on it. You can, yeah,
It'll be harder to put in.
Yeah, that's not, that's fine. Someone is.
And they're staying fine, so I think we're just gonna. There's only one more. That's pretty good. From the bottom.
there you go. Oh, we got 3.
What?
Oh, there's supposed to be 3. There's supposed to be 3 holes, right?
Yes.
Gotta say what you're doing. Fine.
It's dry.
And there's 2. I feel this one's gonna stick too.
It's gonna be a hot.
Drawing on my finger more than anything else at this point.
It's like drawing and flaking off of the wood.
I've got that on me again, I think.
Already.
If you get this under 2 minutes a box, it's gonna be pretty solid.
Are we under 2 minutes a box?
We're at just under 9 now on the last one.
Daniel, push that your side a little bit over. Daniel, you gotta push your side in. Up
Yeah.
top.
How if I do that? Okay, get it.
There you go.
Let's try that last box coming.
We can help shrug out too. Yeah, just weigh this first. 29.1. Very good.
Where am I supposed to put this? The other way?
Yeah.
It's supposed to go as soon as that.
Shaky, so you're in 2 minutes a box. Hurry up.
Bruh. Oh, shit. That one's bad.
Okay. I can hold it.
Okay, 2 minutes a box.
Pinch it like this.
Just shove it there. No. Sorry.
16, I think that's what